Tell me when.
It's going.
It's July?
It's
What?
July 26th, 31st,
31st.
2011. And I'm gonna ride the bike without my training wheels. It might be pretty hard for younger ones, but I can do it.
Awesome. All right, we gotta put Evel Knievel's that was backwards. Hat on.
Tell all the little kids how important it is to wear a helmet and why, Rocco.
Safety
You have
first.
to wear a helmet. Safety is all about learning how to be safety.
Why do you wear a helmet?
Because why I'm wearing a helmet here because I don't want to get it and go to the hospital. I don't want the other kids to too. So wear a helmet and knee pads and elbow pads at all times.
Brilliant. Okay, let's mount up.
I can't run with him like you can, baby. You might have to switch the camera here.
I can do both.
No.
Easily.
Really?
No, I don't want. I might fall.
Honey.
Come around here so you know what's
Okay.
going on with the aspects of it.
Hi.
Hi.
And there's Daddy. Okay.
And now this is me riding on the bike.
Can you start on your own? Or do you want help?
I
Okay,
want help.
ready? Go.
Hi.
Hi.
That's where you're going.
Hello.
Look where you're going.
Go, Rocco! Rocco's only had 2 lessons with Daddy. This is his second, and he's doing amazing. Car! This is our neighborhood. And Mary Knoll Ridge. Rocco's starting kindergarten in 3 weeks.
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say hi.
Hi, Johnny.
Who's John? You gotta say hi, Samson.
Okay, babe.